Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Hey, today we thought it would be fun to make some games, and I want them to be reusable. So if you go to MainelyDIY.com, and you can find these little templates that you can print out, and you could use them just like that, but why print them all the time to do that? So I'm going to show you how to take and make them reusable. So I have some report covers here. Slide out a cover, a little template, and I'm going to use a piece of cardboard as a backer. So I think I'll do, I'll put these two together on one side, and then I'll put this one on the other side. I'll just put them in my little sleeve here. And it looks like I need to trim off the top of my cardboard, but I won't do that for demonstration purposes. So I just slide the spine on. There we go. So we slide the spine right up there. And again, I would trim this cardboard ahead of time. And I've got a couple of options here to play the game. I have a dry erase marker, so I can just go ahead and, mark it up, and people can pass back and forth and play, and then you can just wipe it clean, just like that. Okay, and then just don't let it sit there forever before you wipe it up. And then I have some, these are wet erasers, and I have a couple different colors, so that makes it nice, so that we could, do them in colors, and so you can mark them up with colors. And then you would take a damp cloth to wipe that one up. Okay, so I have my wet paper towel, and I can just wipe that right up, and it's good to go again. And I have the Tic-Tac-Toe on the other side, and I have another game in there, so you could take them out and rearrange them any way you like. And this is a nice backer board on it, so that you can actually write up here. So having the cardboard lets you just write anywhere. You don't have to have a hard surface to write on. So it works just like that, and then I can just take my paper towel and wipe it right off.